Hi, everyone. It's Mrs. Bergin. I am a school counselor here at Forston Junior Senior High School. This year, I will primarily be working with high school students as we have hired a new junior high counselor, Mrs. W. Mrs. W and I share an office now in our main office. So if anybody needs to find us, we are located in the main high school office. I can be contacted by calling the high school office at 815-938-2175. I can also be reached by email at cbergen@fvdistrict221.org, and my information is posted here in the video. I'm excited to work with students this year to talk about any academic concerns they have, social emotional needs, or college and career questions. I'm open to meet with students to discuss any of those topics individually with them if they would like. I'll also be making classroom visits to talk about those things as well. We have a Google Classroom that is set up for all grade levels 6 through 12. And we post a lot of important information on the Google Classroom pertaining to scheduling, college visits, career information, social emotional needs, and resources. So if you have the opportunity, ask your student if you can see their Google Classroom page. You may see posts on there from myself or Mrs. W, or even Miss Bowman, our college and career coach. I will also reach out to students through email and give them a lot of different reminders through email as well. So we really encourage students to make sure that they are checking their emails for information. Another responsibility that I have is the 504 coordinator in the building. I will primarily be doing the 504s for high school students this year, and Mrs. W will be doing the 504s for our junior high students. One thing that we are really excited about this year is one of our themes for social emotional learning, and that is to make your bed. So this is the students' year to make their bed. If you haven't talked with your students about this or what this means, this would be a great conversation to have with them. What does it mean to make your bed? We hope that everyone has a fantastic school year, and we hope to see you at our events and activities. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.